Good morning and happy holidays. Greetings from your Brahmin friend. I hope that your day is beginning in the most perfect, wonderful, and inspiring way. I'm here because I want to ask you a question. Obviously, we are in the moment experiencing the holidays, the end of the year, celebrating achievements. But in some portion of our mind, we are already mentally preparing for 2023. Maybe some more than others, maybe some more unconsciously than others, but 2023 is around the corner, and we naturally want to set some intentions. We naturally want to set some resolutions. So I'm here to invite you to a workshop that I'll be giving in the beginning of January to set a tone for the year ahead, for the years ahead. And in this workshop, we're going to be exploring the signs. So if you would like to start the year with some support, insight, and expansive vision from the perspective of Vedic astrology, then join our workshop. You will have an exposure to all the signs and the Vedic perception of how these signs actually influence and aspect our life, not only from the principle of the sun sign, but the signs themselves, and understanding the principle of how to read the signs, whether it's sun, rising, or moon. We will be able to truly absorb this benefit. So I welcome you and I look forward to see you online. Otherwise, I'll see you here. Have a wonderful day and take care.